Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to your channel the Anatomical Canvas. In today's class I am going to teach you the brachial artery. So first I will highlight the brachial artery. Here you can see this is the brachial artery, and this brachial artery is the continuation of the axillary artery and at elbow it divides into its terminal branches. So what are the different relationship of the brachial artery? I will highlight the brachial artery, then I will show you the different muscles and nerves to it. So here you can see this muscle which is present over here, this is the short head of the biceps and long head of the biceps. And artery is in relation to it. First I will remove this muscle and then I will highlight the brachial artery. So here you can see this is the brachial artery, is starting at the lower border of the pectoralis minor. Major muscle is a direct continuation of the axillary artery and it goes downward till the cubital fossa where it divides into its terminal branches. So what are the different relationship of the brachial artery? In upper part it is related to the coracobrachialis laterally and the biceps brachii, which I have just cut down. So these are the lateral relationship. In addition to this lateral relationship, there will be the median nerve as well. So I will show you the median nerve over here, that this is the median nerve. Here you can see this one is the median nerve, and this median nerve initially it is present in lateral relationship to upper part of the brachial artery. In mid part it crosses the brachial artery and then it comes to lie on the medial aspect of the brachial artery. So these are the relationship of the median nerve. In upper part, this artery is related to coracobrachialis and the median nerve and the biceps brachii. Lateral relationship are the ulnar nerve, which is present over here. This is the lateral relationship of the artery. And the posteriorly you can see over here that posteriorly here you can see this is the triceps brachii muscles, and this triceps brachii along with the axillary nerve, these are the posterior relationship of the brachial artery. So now I will show you the different branches of the brachial artery. Just a minute. So here you can see in this slide that this is the brachial artery. This one is the brachial artery. The first artery which it gives is the profunda brachii artery. This is the large artery and it gives up different anastomotic branches to the scapular region as well as to the elbow as well. So this is the large branch of the artery. This is called the radial collateral artery. Then another branch of the brachial artery, over here you can see this one is the superior or upper ulnar collateral artery, and this one is the inferior or lower ulnar collateral artery. So this artery here you can see, this one is the superior ulnar collateral, this one is the inferior ulnar collateral artery, this was the profunda brachii artery, and this is the radial collateral artery, which is a branch of the profunda brachii artery, and these branches are taking part in anastomosis round the elbow, while another branch of the artery, here you can see in this area, that this is the profunda brachii artery, and this branch of the profunda brachii artery, just a minute, this is the deltoid branch of the profunda brachii artery, and this profunda brachii artery is taking part in an anastomosis around the scapula. So these are the different branches. Now I will show you the relationship of the brachial artery in the cubital fossa. So here I add it over here. Here you can see the cubital fossa. This is the biceps brachii muscle. I will remove the biceps brachii muscle. I will add the artery. So here you can see this is the artery, and this artery is present. This is the brachial artery, and it is going downward and at the till the cubital fossa at the level of the radial tuberosity. It ends over here and is giving different branches. So here you can see also. Just a minute. So here you can see also the median nerve as well, which is present to its relationship. Upper part its lateral, median nerve crosses it, and lower part this median nerve is in its medial relationship. Then this brachial artery passes behind the bicipital aponeurosis, and the tendon of the biceps brachii is just lateral to it. And then this artery, I will now remove the other parts. Then this artery will divide into its terminal branches, and these terminal branches are the radial artery and the ulnar artery. So here you can see the terminal branches of these two arteries, the radial and the ulnar artery. So this is all about the brachial artery. Thank you very much for your attention, and Allah Hafiz till the next class.